In this video, I'm going to show us how to move our two device slot guides around if you want to have them in the right place for laser engraving. So the one thing that we need to do here is my guides sometimes start locked. I believe I locked them for you. So one of the things you have to do is you have to right click after you select it, and it will say unlock guides. I'll show you what it means. I just locked them right now. So right click, unlock guides. Now that I've unlocked them, I'm going to be able to move them around. One of the things I want to do is select it and then go up here in the control menu to where it says transform. And then I want to go select this left hand edge. Alright? Now, after the left hand edge upper point is selected, which is this point, it's asking where does this exist. On the X is from left to right. It's 1 centimeter in. That should be for everybody's, unless you put yours further in or shorter in. But that's the one thing that should be relatively similar for each one of ours. The Y for me is 4 centimeters, and that's actually the same as what mine is for the top one. Alright, so mine is from the top of my piece right here, 4 centimeters in, and I measured that, so I don't have to change mine. The next one though, going down to the next piece here, if I do the same thing, select it, go to transform. Mine doesn't say 1 right here, so I'm just going to push in 1, enter, go back in the transform again, and then also I want to have a Y of 6.5 centimeters, and hit enter. That moves my device slot down to where I can enter things in if I want to laser engrave. Now coming in, just like before, we can use our text tool or type tool to type whatever it is you're looking to write with our stuff. So it doesn't matter to me whatever it is you want it to be. So coming in here, I just selected the wrong tool by accident. I can edit my text. If you want to have some quote, right, or some kind of saying, you could do that and then move it to the appropriate spacing. And just like the stylus holder, I would leave a little bit of room for error. So I'm going to make mine a little bit bigger, using the shift key to kind of make it lock in ratio. And once again, you can select your fonts and however you want it to look, but that's kind of the idea. And I'm going to have another text box and the same thing, so I'm going to hold the Alt key and just move it. And then I'm going to edit the contents by going back to the type tool and deleting it. So in industrial tech, we work hard. I know, I'm kind of silly. But that's how we move our stylus holders around to get them set up. It's with the selection tool after you unlock the guides in the transform menu. Now I'm getting ready to move mine to the laser in the next video. Thanks for watching.